Yesterday I saw a hungry boy, hopeless acceptance in his eyes, an innocent victim of circumstance, and before he'd really lived he had to die. Yesterday I saw a homeless girl, vacant distrust in her eyes. She never heard the words "I love you", continuous abuse and endless lies. You just go to your waterfall, dance under your moon, but remember every freedom has a price. Keep your wits about you, don't think that you're immune, 'cause the dealer has the devil in his eyes. Yesterday I saw a civil war, a product of hatred and despise. Unbridled prejudice weaves its evil web when neighbors up and take each other's lives. Go to your waterfall, dance under your moon, but remember every freedom has a price. Keep your wits about you, don't think that you're immune, 'cause the dealer has the devil in his eyes. Yesterday I saw an overdose, a young man in the prime of his life. Bad company, no direction home, self-destruction, call it what you like. You just go to